Ever ended a long gardening day with sore feet and muddy shoes? Today we're revealing the best gardening shoes that keep you comfy, clean, and confident in every patch. Welcome back to the channel. Stay tuned for picks that truly protect your feet, and if you love them, grab your favorites through the links in the description. The number 6 product on our list is Nautica garden shoes. Most people underestimate how much gardening punishes your feet until one long afternoon leaves them sore, soaked, and covered in mud. Regular sneakers trap moisture. Heavy boots feel stiff and exhausting. That is usually when the search for the best gardening shoes begins. You want something waterproof yet breathable, supportive yet light enough to move freely between soil beds and patio stones. Nautica garden shoes strike that balance with surprising ease. Made from high-grade materials, they feel sturdy without weighing you down. The first thing you notice is the comfort. The insole offers real arch support and impact absorption, reducing stress on your feet, knees, and lower back during long planting sessions. Ventilation ports allow air to circulate while quickly shedding water and debris, which keeps your feet cooler on warm days. Cleanup is simple. Rinse them off and remove the detachable insole for quick drying. Compared to traditional rubber clogs like Crocs Classic, these feel more structured and supportive, though slightly less flexible in tight toe spaces. The two-tone design gives them a clean, versatile look that works beyond the garden, whether you are heading to the beach, pool, or running quick errands. The pros are lightweight construction, solid arch support, easy cleaning, and breathable comfort. The cons are limited insulation in colder weather and a more casual style that may not suit heavy-duty landscaping. For home gardeners, casual landscapers, nurses, or anyone moving between wet and dry environments, they provide dependable comfort without bulk. Step off into your backyard knowing your focus will stay on growing things, not on aching feet. At number 5 is JSWEI garden shoes. Wet grass at sunrise can turn a peaceful garden routine into a slippery balancing act in seconds. Most people realize too late that regular sneakers soak through, trap mud, and leave feet aching by mid-morning. That frustration is exactly why the search for the best gardening shoes becomes serious. JSWEI garden shoes step in with a practical, work-ready design built for messy environments. The non-slip rubber sole, highlighted by its bold orange grip pattern, creates strong traction even on water-covered or greasy ground. You feel steady instead of cautious. The lightweight EVA upper keeps the shoe flexible while blocking water and oil from seeping in. Mud splashes wipe away easily, and quick-drying material means you are not dealing with damp shoes the next day. Inside, the detachable PVC foam insole adds breathable comfort with small massage particles and air, holes that reduce heat buildup during long hours on your feet. The wide toe design gives your toes room to move naturally, which matters if you are kneeling, bending, or standing for extended periods. The closed heel adds extra protection against pebbles and stray tools. Compared to open-back clogs like standard Crocs, these feel more secure and protective, though slightly less airy in extremely hot weather. The pros are slip resistance, waterproof protection, spacious fit, and easy cleaning. The cons are a more utilitarian look and limited insulation for cold seasons. For gardeners, kitchen staff, nurses, or anyone working in wet conditions, they provide steady footing and everyday comfort that lets you focus on the task, not your shoes. At number 4 is Trudave garden shoes. Cold mud at dawn has a way of testing your patience before the day even begins. One step into soaked soil and ordinary shoes surrender fast. Water seeps in. Socks cling. By noon, your focus shifts from planting to discomfort. That is usually when people start looking for the best gardening shoes that can truly handle wet ground. Trudave garden shoes are built for those moments. Crafted with 3.5mm neoprene and high-grade rubber, they create a fully waterproof barrier while still bending naturally with each step. Your feet stay dry and warm, even in chilly spring mornings. The breathable lining works quietly inside, pulling moisture away so you avoid that trapped sweaty feeling common in heavy rubber boots. Stability is another highlight. A reinforced toe cap and skid-resistant outsole grip uneven terrain, helping you move confidently across gravel paths or slick grass. The lower ankle profile keeps them flexible while still offering support, and the hardened toe and heel sections add protection against stray tools or stones. Pull tabs and an elastic opening make slipping them on quick and effortless. Compared to lightweight EVA clogs, these offer far better insulation and traction, though. They feel slightly heavier during long summer sessions. The pros are full waterproof coverage, solid grip, warmth retention, and protective construction. The cons are added weight and less airflow in extreme heat. These shoes suit serious gardeners, backyard farmers, or anyone working in damp outdoor conditions who values durability over minimalism. When the ground is wet and unpredictable, Having reliable footing changes the entire rhythm of your workday from cautious steps to steady progress. The third one on our list is CKWLXQY garden shoes. One unexpected splash can turn a calm gardening session into a soggy struggle in seconds. Wet soil, morning dew, or a quick rinse with the hose should not mean damp socks and slippery steps. Yet that is exactly what happens with ordinary sneakers. The search for the best gardening shoes often begins after one too many muddy afternoons. CKWLXQY garden shoes approach the problem with serious intent. Built with durable, waterproof materials, they seal out moisture completely, even in cold or salty conditions. Your feet stay dry while you focus on planting, trimming, or hauling soil. The high-performance slip-resistant outsole delivers strong traction on slick grass and wet decks, creating steady footing where other shoes slide. The tread pattern grips firmly without leaving marks behind. Inside, the design keeps warmth balanced without feeling stiff, making them useful in cooler seasons or early morning chores. Reinforced pull straps make slipping them on quick and simple, even with wet hands. Reflective details add visibility in low light settings, a thoughtful touch for those who start work before sunrise. Compared to lightweight foam clogs, these provide stronger protection and durability, though they feel slightly heavier and less breathable in peak summer heat. The pros are full waterproof coverage, reliable grip, reinforced construction, and easy on and off convenience. The cons are limited airflow and a more rugged look that leans practical over stylish. These shoes suit gardeners, fishermen, and anyone working around water who needs dependable traction and dryness. When the ground turns slick and unpredictable, steady steps make all the difference between hesitation and smooth progress. On number 2 is Crocs garden shoes. Few shoes have sparked as much debate as the ones gardeners quietly keep by the back door. Mud, wet grass, spilled water from the hose, these small daily challenges demand footwear that can handle chaos without slowing you down. That is where Crocs garden shoes have carved out their space in the conversation around the best gardening shoes. At first glance, they look simple. Step inside and you understand the appeal. The lightweight build feels almost effortless, reducing fatigue during long planting sessions or quick backyard cleanups. Ventilation ports allow air to circulate while shedding water and debris quickly, which means no soggy buildup after rinsing tools or watering beds. The roomy fit gives toes space to move naturally, though sizing down to the next hole size often provides a better hold. The pivoting heel strap adds stability when you need it and flips forward when you want an easy slip-on option. Cleaning is refreshingly simple. Soap, water, quick dry, and they are ready again. Compared to heavy rubber ankle boots like neoprene garden shoes, these feel far lighter and more breathable, though they do not provide the same level of insulation or rugged toe protection. The pros are exceptional comfort, easy maintenance, lightweight design, and versatile everyday use. The cons are limited traction on extremely slick surfaces and minimal warmth in colder weather. For casual gardeners, homeowners, nurses, or anyone moving between indoor and outdoor tasks, they deliver comfort that keeps your focus on the soil, not on tired feet. Sometimes the simplest solution quietly becomes the one you reach for every single day. Now moving to the last one is Western Chief garden shoes. Rain has a way of testing your dedication to the garden. One steady drizzle and ordinary shoes surrender, soaking through and leaving you slogging through mud with every step. That frustration is what pushes many people to search for the best gardening shoes that can truly handle wet days. Western Chief garden shoes bring personality and protection together in a way that feels refreshing. Crafted from waterproof rubber with handmade vulcanized construction, they seal out moisture while minimizing weak spots along the seams. You step into puddles without hesitation. Inside, the soft poly-cotton lining adds warmth and absorbs light moisture, creating a cozy barrier between your feet and the chill. The removable EVA insole cushions long hours of planting, pruning, or harvesting, easing pressure that builds during extended standing. Beneath it all, the slip-resistant lug outsole grips slick grass and muddy paths, and the self-cleaning tread saves you from scraping debris after every use. The playful printed designs add a burst of character to otherwise gray days, turning practical footwear into something that feels expressive. Compared to minimalist foam clogs, these boots offer far more waterproof coverage and traction, though they are taller and less breathable in hot summer heat. The pros are full rain protection, supportive cushioning, reliable grip, and cheerful style. The cons are added weight and reduced airflow during warm weather. These boots are ideal for gardeners who refuse to pause when clouds roll in and want dependable coverage without sacrificing personality. When rain becomes part of the routine, steady dry steps keep your rhythm intact. So guys, this was the video about the best gardening shoes. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.